Welcome back to the Pronunciation Guide channel. In today's episode, we'll be focusing on the word articulate. Let's dive right in. Articulate. To pronounce articulate, we'll break it down into syllables. Articulate. Let's start with the first syllable, ar. It's pronounced like the ar in car or bar. Next, we have tick. It's pronounced like the word tick or thick, but without the k sound at the end. Lastly, we have ulate. The o sounds like the o in pull or full. And the ate sounds like the ate in late or great. Now, let's put it all together. Articulate. 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 You've learned how to pronounce articulate correctly. Remember to practice and use it confidently in your conversations. Practice makes perfect. Like, share and subscribe.